Welcome to Parsimony, your all-in-one business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the accounting dimension function in the accounting master module of Parsimony. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to set up and manage accounting dimensions in Parsimony. Let's start by navigating to the accounting master module in the Parsimony dashboard. Click on the accounting master module to access the necessary functions. The Accounting Master dashboard provides a centralized location to manage all accounting-related settings and configurations. To set up your accounting dimensions, click on the Accounting Dimension option. This is where you define additional dimensions to track and analyze your financial data. In the Accounting Dimension list, you'll find the existing dimensions that have been set up in Parsimony. Let's go through the process of adding a new accounting dimension. To create a new accounting dimension, click on the New button. This will open a new accounting dimension entry form. In the accounting dimension entry form, you'll need to fill in several fields to define the characteristics of the dimension. Start by entering a descriptive name for the dimension in the dimension name field. This should reflect the category or aspect you want to track. Next, select the type of the dimension. You can choose from options such as cost center, project, department, or any other relevant category. If this dimension is mandatory for all accounting transactions, check the mandatory checkbox. This ensures that the dimension value is required in every entry. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on the Save button to save the accounting dimension. You will now see the newly added accounting dimension in the list. You can continue adding dimensions in a similar manner to suit your organization's reporting and analysis needs. If you need to make changes to an existing accounting dimension, you can click on the Edit button. Likewise, if you wish to remove a dimension, you can use the Delete button. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your accounting dimensions in the Accounting Master module of Parsimony. Now you can track and analyze your financial data based on the additional categories or aspects you have defined. Thank you for watching this tutorial.